In the beginning there was nothing but a vast, swirling cloud of gas and dust, a cosmic fog that stretched across the void. This cloud, known as the solar nebula, was a remnant of ancient stars that had lived and died, exploding in magnificent supernovae, scattering their enriched materials across the universe. It was a chaotic dance of particles, each one carrying the remnants of stellar life, the building blocks of everything we know today. Gravity, that relentless force, began to pull these particles together, creating clumps that grew larger and larger, like snowballs rolling down a hill, gathering more and more mass. As these clumps collided and merged, they formed a spinning disk, a flat plane of material that would become our solar system. At the center of this disk, the pressure and temperature rose to unimaginable levels, igniting a nuclear furnace that would give birth to our sun. It was a moment of creation, a stellar ignition that sent shock waves through the surrounding material. The sun, a blazing ball of hydrogen and helium, began to shine, its light cutting through the darkness, illuminating the chaos around it. But the story didn't end there. The remaining material in the disk began to coalesce into planetesimals, small bodies that would collide and merge, forming the planets we know today. In the inner regions of the disk, where it was hotter, rocky materials could withstand the heat, giving rise to the terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, each one a unique world, shaped by violent impacts and the relentless forces of nature. Earth, our home, was a molten mass at first, but as it cooled, a crust formed, and the conditions became just right for life to emerge. Meanwhile, in the outer regions of the disk, where it was cooler, gas giants began to take shape. Jupiter and Saturn, massive and majestic, formed from the abundant hydrogen and helium, while Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, gathered icy materials and gases. These planets, with their swirling storms and intricate rings, became the guardians of our solar system, their immense gravity influencing the orbits of countless smaller bodies. As the planets settled into their orbits, the leftover debris became asteroids, comets, and meteoroids, remnants of a time when the solar system was a chaotic, swirling mass. Over billions of years, the solar system matured, evolving into the complex and beautiful arrangement we see today. Each planet, each moon, each tiny speck of dust tells a story of creation, destruction, and rebirth. And here we are, on a small blue planet, gazing up at the stars, wondering about our origins, connected to the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand.